morning. We have a packed assembly, so we need to get started. So we need voices off, we need to be settled in. I know we didn't get to dance as much this morning, but we've got a lot to do today. So this is an exciting assembly. We have a class, one of our kindergarten classes that are going to be performing today. We can't wait to see what they have, but we've got to get started. So please stand quietly for your pledges. Everybody on your feet. Okay. Oh, wait, for some fifth graders. Awesome. With your right hand on your heart, facing the American flag, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That was beautiful. Go on to our Oklahoma flag. Salute, pledge. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma, its symbols of peace by all people. Oh, that was so good. Guys, we're going to stay standing and we're going to go on to our moment of silence. You know what to do. You may begin. Very good. Let's go on to, it's funny, Miss A's trying to be a little bit quieter because I don't know about it. I don't know why, I'm never going to change, that's who I am. But I want you guys to be amazing and awesome by doing your Union Creed. We have visitors. Let's show them how proud we are to be a Union Wildcat. Ready? Go! Up every time. Okay, remember, when we have any speakers up here, we have any classes up here, we are so respectful and so awesome. Miss Netherton, are you and your class ready to take the stage? Okay, stand up, get your stuff. You guys are going to be so awesome and respectful. We can't wait to see what they have for us this morning. Miss Stafford's class, you're going to sit down. It's just going to be Miss Netherton's class going up here this morning. All right, Miss Netherton's class, let's give them a round of applause while they're coming up. Learning our colors. We've been learning our shapes. Class, what's the vertices? We've been learning to count by 10. We've been learning our letters and their sounds. We've been learning to read.
My pig can we've been learning where we live.
We live at Oklahoma and it's right here.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a lot of learning. First grade teachers, get ready. You got some smart kiddos heading your way. Let's give them another big round of applause. They did a great job. Very good. Okay. While they're getting settled, we got a couple things this morning. Real quick, listen up. While they're sitting down, Miss Anderson is going to do our golden tray and our sparkling dustpan, but then we have a big announcement. I know. Does anybody see this red paper here? So that's Miss Anderson's attempt to make a red carpet, okay? So last year it was extra long, and we accidentally had somebody slide, and then it ripped, and it wasn't great. So it's just a precious little short red carpet. It's not really carpet, it's paper. Okay, but it is going to have someone very special walking down that red carpet. But let's move on real quick and do this so that we can be excited for what we're going to announce in a minute. So we have this morning, I don't know because Miss Anderson's still on Thursday.
Don't want to back up, okay?
Okay, so we have our Sparkling Dustpan Award. Tell your neighbor right now how you get the Sparkling Dustpan Award. Yes, I'm hearing it. Cleaning your areas when you go to them. So first of all, your classroom. Secondly, your lunchroom. Well, that's your golden tray, but also the restroom areas. And we've been down one janitor, and so you guys have had to really keep up with keeping our building clean and looking nice. But the Sparkling Dustpan this week goes to, oh my goodness, I think it's going to go to everyone. So if it goes to everyone, you got to kind of think, we have all kinds of areas. But I know one area that is always clean, and this is going to go to the library. You guys get that thing clean. So here's what I'm going to do. I would like Miss Emma Grace to come down here and get this, please. Come here, Miss Emma. Let's meet you, Miss Emma. Good girl, sweetheart. She's going to take that to Miss Cordova after announcements. Let's do our fantastic cheer. Ready? Go. Fantastic. Very good. Now we have our Golden Tray Award. Oh, this is going to be cute. We've got our Golden Tray Award. It goes to the class that is the cleanest, the quietest, the neatest in the cafeteria. Now this week we had it pretty good. I will tell you, when we have those salads sometimes, and sometimes, believe it or not, Frito chili pies, the amount of cheese and lettuce that end up on the floor, I could make my own salad. But this goes to our lead class. If you want to see Miss Bella or Miss Emma, guys, let's do the firecracker for them. Ready? Go. Maybe we do some new cheers. Miss McHenry's a pro. I think a lot of you guys are, but I mean, I don't know if you remember back in the day of Great Expectations, May, I think Pruitt, we got a couple Great Expectations, so maybe we come up with some new cheers next year. That'd be awesome. Okay, listen up. First of all, one of the most important things is what are we having for lunch today? We're having, shocker, pepperoni pizza, glazed carrots, corn, rosati ice, and apple slices and peanut butter. Yes, that's gonna be yummy. All right, so, pickles and popcorn. I see you brought your dollars, so don't forget to give that to teachers. 3rd, 4th, and 5th, Miss Hasselgratz, Miss Holly, and myself will be coming in to test you today on your 6s. But Miss McHenry, I know her class is ready, but I heard Miss Hopkins has been also doing the raps, so I can't wait to see who all passes their 6s today. On Monday, next week, is honestly one of Miss Anderson's favorite weeks. Read Across America Week is one of my favorites. One, because we get to dress up about book characters, share our favorite books. Number two, Miss Anderson, some teachers have responded, I'm coming in to read my favorite Dr. Seuss book to your class next week. And here's the funny, I have every one of them, and I can't find any of them. So, I'm going to buy some today. But I want you to know, I'm coming in to read because it's my favorite thing to do is read alouds. And so I'll be in next week in some of your classes. I've only had a few respond, but I will be in reading hopefully to your class next week. And we are going to celebrate reading next week. And it begins on Monday with Oh, the Places You'll Go. And you've been asked to wear either a college jersey or shirt. But if you don't have a college one, guess what you're going to be in high school? You're going to be a Ponca City Wildcat. So you can wear a Wildcat shirt as well if you can't go out and grab some. So that's on Monday. But here we go. We are getting ready to announce our Union Teacher of the Year. Miss Pruitt, can I have you come on up, Miss Pruitt? Miss Pruitt was our 2024-2025 Teacher of the Year last year. Give her a big old cheer. She is up here with this beautiful tiara, okay? And she's going to pass it along to our next Teacher of the Year. So, how that works is our staff, our certified staff, they vote for the teacher that they think would best represent Union Elementary for this school year. So it's a 2025-2026. And I'm going to announce that teacher now. So, our new Teacher of the Year that is going to come down the red carpet, and we're going to open the curtains here in a moment. Our new Teacher of the Year, Miss Sassafras, if you can start pulling the curtain, is Miss May! Come on down, Miss May! With your beautiful red carpet, Miss May. We see how awesome you are, what a great teacher you are, and you are so deserving of this. You are amazing. Well, Miss Beautiful. Everybody give Miss May a big scream! Oh, I love it. Do you want to say anything or no?
I couldn't have done this without all of my colleagues and an amazing leader, Kara. It means the world to me. We have so many great people that have inspired me, helped encourage me to be the teacher that I am. I couldn't have done it without them. So, thank you so much.
Look up there. She's also got some of her family here with some beautiful flowers. So one more big cheer for Miss May. Miss Thatcher, if we can get some pictures. Yay. And classes. So aren't we so proud? We love to support our teachers and all of our people. We couldn't be more excited. This is amazing. So, how can I forget the spirit? Oh, you count Miss Mays for me. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, here we go. goodness, I love your spirit. Yesterday we had our I think it is our girls wrestling team got to go down to Oklahoma City and get an award because they're going to state. So we are always proud of our Wildcats, and one day that is going to be, well, you're already Wildcats, but you will be our Ponca City Wildcats representing us, so it's so exciting. We'll hurry and do this real quick so that parents can see their little kiddos from Nethertons. Miss Byers, 69, Miss Allen, 38, Miss Womack, 40, Miss Ruth, 73, Miss Pruitt, 58, Miss Davis, 56, Miss Whitecop, 50, Miss Hopkins, 40, Miss Leonard, Miss McHenry, 44, Miss Diddley, 38, Miss May, 61, Miss Netherton, 40, Miss Stafford, 67,